Our company was established in 1985. We specialize in design and manufacturing CNC routers and automatic copy shaping machines. Our aim is effectively solve all kinds of processing problems, delivers the industry's most comprehensive portfolio of products. We are a great problem solvers. The way we build CNC machine is based on metal cutting machine, so the machine can not only work with wood but composite material. We have enough experience in various fields such as wood, aluminum, plastic, and shipbuilding industry. The 4-axis machine comes with high quality. We use Italian spindle, and the electrical components are from Germany or Japan. We have our own welding assembly line and power distribution as well as programming tutorial for entering buyers. We provide the excellence of after-sales service. When we provide software tutorial, we focus on customer original process and make improvement. We always offer best solution to customer. We have local agents, so customer can have technical support locally. Besides, we build 100% customized machine. Continue to meet the challenge of global market and manufacturing machine completely satisfied with clients' demand.